shapes are near. Shapes are fun and full of cheer. Mama draws a circle round, rolling, spinning on the ground. Mama rolls it like a moon. Circle shape goes zoom, zoom, zoom. Circle, circle, spin and roll. Circle, circle, nice and whole. Circle, circle, big and small. We love circles, one and all. We love circles, one and all. Mama shows a square so neat, with 4 sides and steady feet. It's like Mama's baking tray, square, strong in every way. Square, square, flat and wide. Square, square, side by side. Square, square, in the air. We see squares everywhere. Mama points up to the sky.